Hello and welcome to Martin Maths. We're using Lego to display some sequences, and my guest presenters are going to talk me through a few of them, or he's going to show me what they've got. The first one here is simply the triangle numbers, 1 and then 3, and then adding 3 to get 6, and then adding 4 to get 10, and so on. The next one is the square numbers, 1, 2 squared, 3 squared, 4 squared, and so on. My next guest presenter is going to talk to me about this nth term sequence, and which is your first term?
It's 4n plus 6.
Okay, so the sequence is 4n, so you're adding 4 each time, and each of these has 6 on them. So it's there. That was the first term. Adding 4, so it becomes 4n, and that 6 stays there. Fantastic. Similarly, the next guest presenter had this display, which was adding 2 each time, so it was 2n and had 8 in the center, so it's 2n plus 8. And this one here was another 4n, so the first term there adds 4, adds another 4, so 4n plus 8. Then we had a different sequence, and what sequence was this?
The Fibonacci sequence.
And what is the Fibonacci sequence?
It starts with 2 of blocks of 1, then it goes to 2, then 3, then 5, then 8, and then 13.
Okay, so there we have, there's 1, 1, 2, and we're using squares here to display it. So that's 1 squared, 2 squared, 3 squared, 5 squared, 8 squared, and then 13 squared. And the Fibonacci sequence adds the previous 2 numbers. So 2 comes from 1 plus 1, 3 comes from 2 plus 1, 5 comes from 3 plus 2, and so on, and it grows. So there's a really nice display of that. My final guest presenter made this sequence, like you might see sometimes in a GCSE exam, with matchsticks, and these 4 blocks here, so it's adding 3 of them each time to the sequence. So there we go, that's nth term, Fibonacci, square numbers, and triangle numbers using Lego. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And goodbye from all.
See you later.